there in this video I'm going to explain you the difference between SED and AWK in Linux based terminal. So SED stands for stream editor and AWK stands for the initials of the authors who developed that utility. So both the utilities use the regular expressions to find the patterns in the file and then perform some operations on those patterns or the lines that match those patterns. So the main difference between this is that actually you can do most of the things by using both the utilities like SED and AWK. You can find the patterns, you can print the lines that match those patterns, you can replace the text that from those lines which match the patterns by some other texts, or you can also delete those lines that match the patterns. So what's the difference? So the difference between SED and AWK is that main difference is that AWK is like a programming language. We can use the for loops in that particular AWK. So it is just like a normal programming language like C. You can use for loop, if conditions, and that's why AWK is more powerful than SED. And whatever you can do with SED can be done with AWK. So we can say that AWK is the superset of SED. And another difference is that AWK treats the file as the records and fields. So you can manage like extract the like specific rows or the records or specific columns from those particular records, but in SED every line is considered as unique or like the file contents are considered as just the normal lines. It doesn't consider the file as a like a tabular format or consisting of the records and fields. So let us try to execute some of the commands using SED and AWK. So let us say SED is like, let us try to find this, replace the Sydney by Thuong using SED. So as you can see, Sydney is replaced by Thuong here using SED, and you can also find the patterns using SED. Say for example, you want to find the Sydney in this file T1, you can use the syntax of SED. And similar things you can also do with AWK as well. So this will print the second column of the line that matches the Sydney, or if you want to print the first column you can use this $1, or if you want to print $1 first and say second column, you can print it like that. So a lot of things you can do with AWK. So if you want to learn AWK, it will be sufficient. You can do all the things that you can do as all the things that you can do using SED can be done in AWK as well. So that's the main difference between SED and AWK in Linux based terminal. If you like this video, hit like button.